So today we're going to learn how to add a header or a footer to a Microsoft Word document. So I have my document open. As you can see, there are 2 pages. There are 2 ways in which to add a header or a footer to a document. The first is if you click on the Insert tab, and you can come over here under the header and footer section and either select header or footer. If you click on this, you'll get a little drop-down menu, and it gives you some default options on which you can use. Same with the footer. You'll get these default options. And so what we can do is just click the blank header. And as you can see, the text of the document has been grayed out, and the header area has been highlighted both with this little tab, and the text obviously is a little darker, indicating that it's ready for you to start working on the header. And so now you have options on how you can add content in here. We won't go into that in this video. I'll have a video later about how you can edit the content, but this video is really focused on just how to create a header and a footer. If you want to get out of this, you can either click outside of the header area, so in the body copy, or you can come up here and click the Close Header and Footer button. And so that's what we'll do here. Now you can see we actually have the header there. The other way to create a header, and this is an easier way if a header is already created, is to just double click into that area. And as you can see again, our text has been grayed out. Our header area is highlighted. I'm just going to type, "This is our header." And then again, I can either click the close button or just double click into the body copy. And now you can see our header is saved. The same rule applies for the footer. So we don't have a footer down here yet. Again, I can go to the Insert tab and go to the footer section and insert it, or I can simply double click, and you will see again, we have a highlighted footer section. Our main body copy has been grayed out, and so now we can just type, "This is our footer." And again, we can need to close this. We can either close the header and footer button here, or double click in the body copy, and our footer has persisted. Stay tuned for another video where I talk about how we can style these headers and footers and some of the options that we have when working with headers and footers. Thank you for checking out this video, and if you have any other questions regarding headers and footers, just put them down in the comments, and might be able to address them in a later video. Thanks again. Have a good day.